Are you considering Leadpages for your landing page needs? Before you make a purchase, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know that could save you time, money, and frustration down the line. Stick around to the end of this video because I'll cover both the advantages and the things you should be aware of before committing, especially in comparison to its competitors like Unbounce or Instapage. First off, Leadpages offers a powerful drag and drop builder that's designed for ease of use. This makes it one of the best tools for beginners or small business owners who want to create landing pages without the need for coding. Unlike more complex tools, Leadpages lets you create landing pages in just a few clicks. But here's the thing, it's not just a builder. It's a comprehensive platform that integrates well with your email marketing tools, CRMs, and even social media. However, when compared to its competitors, like Unbounce, Leadpages isn't quite as flexible in some design aspects. So if you're looking for the most customizable templates, you might find Leadpages a bit limiting. Next thing, Leadpages offers a wide array of templates. They're ready to use, making it incredibly easy to set up a landing page quickly. However, these templates are not the most creative or cutting edge compared to what some other platforms offer. Platforms like Instapage provide more sophisticated designs and a wider variety of templates, which might be important if you're targeting a more design-driven audience. But if you're in the early stages of building your business and need something quick, Leadpages is a solid option. The third thing to consider is Leadpages' pricing structure. It's affordable compared to other landing page builders like Unbounce, which can get pricey for even basic features. Leadpages gives you a lot of value for the price, including unlimited traffic and leads, but its features do become limited on the basic plan. If you're looking for more advanced features like A/B testing, you'll have to opt for the more expensive plans. So while Leadpages is a great value, if you're looking for extensive features without upgrading your plan, you might want to look elsewhere. The fourth thing you need to know is its conversion-focused features. Leadpages is built with conversions in mind. It's not just about looking pretty. It's about driving results. With tools like exit intent pop-ups, lead magnets, and integrations with email marketing services, it's a great option for anyone looking to capture leads effectively. It's important to note, however, that while Leadpages focuses on ease of use, other competitors like Unbounce offer more advanced testing and targeting features that might be better suited for higher-level marketers. Next thing, Leadpages provides a comprehensive analytics dashboard, which allows you to track your landing page performance with ease. You can see metrics like conversion rates, traffic, and engagement all in one place. However, compared to competitors like Instapage, Leadpages analytics isn't as deep. If you're running sophisticated campaigns and need detailed insights into how different segments are performing, you might find Leadpages lacking a bit in this department. Now let's talk about customer support. Leadpages does provide decent support through live chat and email, but it's not the best in the industry. Some users report that responses can be slow, especially when you're dealing with more complex issues. Competitors like Unbounce offer faster, more personalized support, which can be a deciding factor if customer service is a priority for you. Finally, one of the best things about Leadpages is the ability to try it completely free. You can explore the platform and its features before committing to a paid plan. This makes it one of the more risk-free options when you're testing landing page tools. Plus, if you decide to upgrade, you'll get access to features like A/B testing, advanced integrations, and more, all included in the premium plans. So, if you're ready to give Leadpages a shot and want to try it for free, be sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll get exclusive benefits and access to a trial that lets you explore all the features before making your decision. Don't forget to check out the trial. It's a risk-free way to see if Leadpages is the right fit for you.